Alright guys, today we're going to be making our Chaffle cheeseburgers. Pretty simple. We got our patties, our eggs, our cheese, and that's it. First thing we're going to do is cook up our hamburgers. We're going to add some cheese on top of these. I'm not going to use any condiments. And for the buns, I'm going to be using Chaffles. And I'm going to cook those on my little waffle maker. And we're going to meal prep all this. So we're just going to take a bunch of eggs. I think I used 7. And then we're going to mix in our shredded cheese of whatever choice. This was cheddar. Not really measuring anything, just throwing it in there. And then we're going to pour it into our waffle maker and cook it. And I like to leave it a little soft because this is going to be meal prepped. So I leave them a little soft, that way I can toast them whenever I pull them back out of the fridge to eat them later. That's what they look like. You can see it's just a little soft still. So we're going to put the cheeseburgers in a container with some hot dogs I made, and we're going to put the Chaffles in a bag in the fridge. And that's it. This is what the Chaffle cheeseburger looks like, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.